How to choose right credit card with Fintragpt, AI-powered personal finance platform. Fortunately, in today's financial world we have choices of choosing the right credit cards. Here we will walk your way down on how can you select, finalize, and take care of your credit card. Our relationship with credit cards could either be for a short period or a lifetime. Hence, before settling down for a specific one, we go through various checklists, the do's and don'ts, and the pros and cons. Before settling down with one, which can be stuck on us forever, we have to analyze our financial habits and credit situations. There are cards that offer rewards, travel benefits, shopping vouchers, discounts on various activities, no interest periods, EMI options, business solutions, fuel surcharge waivers, and lots more. Don't miss out on the perfect credit card for your needs. Make an informed decision and take control of your financial future with Fintragpt, AI-powered personal finance platform.